kids?
Look! Wheat! 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 Golden wheat!
Let's make bread.
Bread! Bread! Yummy bread! How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Golden wheat, field to treat. Let's see how it gets so sweet. Here's the wheat, it grows in the sun. In the sun. We harvest the grains, now the fun has begun. Has begun. Are you ready? Here we go. Grind, grind. Turn the wheat to flour so fine. Add some water, water, water. Add some yeast to make it taller. Knead the dough, press it down. Press it down. Watch it rise. Soft and round. Put it in the oven, hot, hot. Smell the bread, so warm and fresh. Ding, it's ready, the very best. Look at the loaf, golden and sweet. It's ready now, let's start to eat. Snap, snap, snap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A slice for you, a slice for me. You and me. We explored, we learned, and now we know. Yummy bread!